In this video, we will show you how to use our RiskVille plugin for Outlook. The RiskVille Outlook plugin can be used to archive mails from your own email into the client's document page in RiskVille. Firstly, open Outlook and click on the RiskVille icon in the toolbar. Then add a title to the email. If you do not write anything, it will be saved in RiskVille with the same title as the subject form the mail. Then you need to search for the client relevant to the email and choose the client. If the client has any active insurances, by clicking Refresh, you can choose the insurance, and the email will be guided to the relevant insurance. Then select which document folder you wish to archive it in RiskVille. The default folder is chosen by your super user in RiskVille. If you are replying to or forwarding an email and want to copy the flow of emails into the selected client, you should click Add to CC or Add to BC. If you are just archiving a received mail, you should click Add to TO. Then close the window. Send the mail in Outlook, and a copy of the mail will appear in the client document folder in RiskVille within minutes. It will be saved as an MSG file, so it can be opened in Outlook again. Thank you for watching our video on how to use our Outlook plugin within RiskVille. If you have any proposals or questions, contact us through our support chat or by email.